Student, today we are going to start our new topic, that is underpopulation. In the previous classes we have learned about the population and the overpopulation. In overpopulation the population is more but the resources are less in comparison to the population. So underpopulation means underpopulation is a condition in which underpopulation condition in which the population is so small there are not enough people to utilize the available resources, such as Canada, Australia, Russia, Namibia are the example. In underpopulated, if the population increases, then also they can live a comfortable life because they are having the more resources. We generally think relatively that small countries with a large population are overpopulated. If we think that the small country if we think that a small country with a large population are overpopulated and the large countries with a small population are underpopulated, but overpopulation and underpopulation depends not so much on the size of the population but depend on the resources and ability of population. Overpopulation on the resources and ability of its population is utilize those resources. That means that depends on the ability of a population to utilize the resources. Then they depend on the skill, awareness, technical knowledge, healthcare, etc. of the people. Not only the only the healthy, educated people can utilize the resources efficiently and contribute to develop of their country. Then what are the impact of the overpopulation? To live a reasonably and comfortable life, we need the various resources. To need a comfortable life, we need clean water, home, food, amenities, electricity, healthcare, educational facilities. In an overpopulated country, all the people don't have enough these resources. Enough of these resources. There is jobless. There is jobless, unemployment, and even many working people earn very little. That means what happen if there is overpopulated, then there will be jobless, unemployment, working people earn very little, some people are homeless, many people worse than famine. When there is not enough food for everyone, there is a dying of hunger. Due to lack of food and health care, education, people suffer. So they doesn't develop the skill to use their resources efficiently. Hence the quality of life is poor. And people want to leave the country and settle on the other places. In an overpopulated country, resources are consumed faster. Resources are consumed faster as they produce or replenish. Hence, the depletion of the resources can be for fresh water, forest, and mineral. There is also pollution in the air. There will be pollution in the air, water, and soil due to the unscientific human activities. All destroy or pollute the habitat of species other than human as well as many species home disease. Large scale deforestation, specialization harm the whole world, as do some affect the pollution like global warming and the ozone depletion.